Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Christy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So for today's makeup look, we're going to be playing in a little bit of blues today, mixed in with some gold tones. I'm going to be using my In the Shadow Eye Frost by MAC. This is like my favorite shade, you guys. It's like my second time using it. And I'm also going to be using my Maybelline In the Nudes palette. So if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go right now. It's Tuesday. Click that subscribe button and the bell so you are alerted when I do upload new videos. Let's get into this video.
I was born to flex, yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. What I really want to see is that I don't.
Alright, you guys, so first I'm going to start off with my Maybelline Nudes palette. I am going to be blending a variety of different shades here, 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 and a little bit there to get more of a neutral color up at the top. Then we're going to fill it out with a little bit of the gold shimmer to kind of give me a brightness to my eye. My MAC NC45, you guys, and I'm going to cut my crease just the same way as that. And I'm actually going to take my time, you guys, because I really want a really refined cut crease, and I want it to be able to match the eye over on this end. You guys, so now I'm going to go in with my Victoria's Secret shimmer to kind of give me this nice gold, half of a, what do I want to call it, half of gold, and then we're going to go in with that MAC Pretty Royal Blue to get us this nice blue color here, you guys. So I'm going to go in now with my Kat Von B setting powder. I'm just going to set my under eyes, you guys, to give me a nice clean matte foundation or look when I do add on my foundation. This will help your face from being oily if you have oily skin and coming through on your makeup. So now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. It's a more flawless finish foundation. I'm going to go in now with... Guys, I'm going to go in now with my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. The color that I have in this one is actually Spice. It has deep undertones. I got this one because I do have somewhat of a deep undertone, a red undertone that is. And I wanted something that's going to blend in with my skin. So I'm just going to take my big stipple brush, you guys, and I'm going to blend into my skin. And I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to fill it out. contour palette. This is by True Complexion, well, it's by Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. I have a medium to dark, you guys, and I'm actually going to take more of a buffer brush, and I'm actually going to take the darker shade and go around the bottom of my cheeks. And this is just to like blend in and just to contour my face more, you guys. And I'm actually going to go across the forehead a little. Next, I'm going to take more of a lighter color, you guys. I'm going to go in and sculpt the side of my face. Just little pats across. Next, I'm going to go in, you guys, I'm actually going to sculpt my nose. So I'm going to be using more of a darker palette, the contour palette, you guys. I'm going to use more of a straight in brush. And I'm just going to draw like a small line to just trace my nose. Alright, guys, I'm going to take that same like buffer brush, and I'm going to take more of a lighter shade of pink, and I'm going to go across my cheeks. And this color is very light, you guys, so it's actually not going to be pink. Plus, I'm going to balance it out with a nice gold shimmer, so that way it's more relatable to the makeup that I have on. I just like to use a little bit of color when I am doing my makeup, especially on the cheek, to heighten the cheek and to give me a nice like sculpted look. Alright, here's my last step. I'm going to use more of a fan brush. I'm going to go in with that Victoria's Secret shimmer, and I'm just going to glide it across my face. Alright guys, so the final touch is I'm going to be going in with my Les Chocolate. This is by Maybelline. Is it by Maybelline? No, it's by L'Oreal. Oh my gosh, the L'Oreal chocolate collection, you guys. This is more of a mauve pink. Then I'm going to go on top of this by my Marc Jacobs gloss to set it off.